How to turn off subtitles on Paramount Plus. Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how you'll be able to turn off the subtitles into your Paramount video player. So all you have to do is open your the Paramount Plus application or the web browser, and all you have to do is to choose what movie you'll be watching. And you actually will have an option, or you just simply need to click on the speech bubble icon that's on the top right corner of the screen, like this one. When you click on it, you will have the option to turn on or turn off your subtitles. And you just need to make sure that you click an option for subtitles section. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to turn off your subtitles here when watching a movie here at Paramount Plus. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!